Wrong to assume that Somalia would not oppose a possible later move by the majority of the population in Djibouti to perhaps have a referendum whether to join or not to join Somalia.
Well, frankly, I said I remain my point to say that we do respect the people's desire for their destiny. We remain this. It depends how they want.
But does this mean that you are dropping the hope of a totally united Somalia, that for instance, Djibouti will...
Well, even this must come through the wish of the people. We do advise, and we insist that French, as is decided to leave the country and give the people to their independence after long colonization, to give the money to the country which they are living rather than to maintain a huge military base there. We really oppose this.
Do you see any threats that unrest and even violence or guerrilla warfare might erupt in the territory?
By Ethiopians or elements organized by them.
But if you choose so yourself, then you can become a part of Somalia. And will you have a referendum sometime to join?
No. We didn't think about it, yes. But as a federation, and all the region, Ethiopia, including Somalia and Eritrea, if there is a project like this, I think we will be a member of this big federation.